Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy Castle App Premium in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your mobile browser and search for Castle App in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears. You'll be taken to the Castle App page. Tap the Download Now button to download it to your device. Choose the version you need, whether it's for Android, iOS, or PC. Once downloaded, log in using your credentials and go to the home screen. Now, tap on Upgrade to Premium, usually found in the menu or on the home screen. Next, choose the subscription plan that works best for you, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Then enter your payment details. You can use a credit card, PayPal, or mobile payment. Fill in all required info and tap Pay to complete the purchase. Once your payment is processed, you'll see a confirmation message. And that's it. Your account is now upgraded to Castle App Premium. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. See you in the next video.